two Power Query transformations that are completely unnecessary except you absolutely need to apply them. The first one is going to be reordering your data columns in Power Query. Now that's not necessary because the order of your columns in Power Query does not translate to the order of your columns after your data has been loaded into Power BI. So Power BI typically arranges columns or order columns in alphabetical order. So for example, I'm going to drag this product column here in Power Query to be the first column. And when I get back to look at my Power BI report, you will see that first of all, my columns are ordered in alphabetical orders here. And even when I apply that change from Power Query, you will see that doesn't really change anything in my data panel in Power BI because column orders in Power Query does not translate back into Power BI, so it is highly unnecessary. The second unnecessary transformation in Power Query that you should only apply if you absolutely need to use that is going to be reordering or sorting your data values, right? So take for example, if I try to sort this data set by country here and I just use this drop down to sort in ascending order, this also does not translate back into Power BI because the end product of our Power BI is going to be our report, is going to be our chart, our dashboard, our visualization, and this ordering in Power Query does not translate into the ordering or the sorting of values inside our visuals. So again, if I go back to my Power BI desktop, this chart currently sorts category values based on the amount of sales by the country. So if I apply the changes in this my query, you will see that that sorting in Power Query also does not translate back into this visual.